Hey everyone, Mike here from Lux Trading Firm. Today we're walking through the exact step-by-step process of signing up for our prediction market account types, purchasing your challenge, and completing your KYC verification so you can get up and running smoothly. Let's look at exactly how this journey begins. First, you will need to choose your challenge parameters. If you are new to the platform, you can select your desired account size and currency directly on our public website. However, if you have already signed up for a free trial before, you can easily make this selection right from your existing prediction market trader dashboard. Once you have selected your account size, you will see a form appear on your screen. You will need to fill in your personal details, including your name and address, before moving forward to the payment options. When you proceed to order stage, you will pay a one-time fee. The platform supports multiple convenient payment methods, including credit or debit card, cryptocurrency, direct bank transfers, or via PayPal and Wise wallets. Immediately after your payment and order are complete, you will receive an automated email from our system. Before anything else happens, you need to open this message and verify your email address first. Once your email is verified, your account is officially created and you are ready to log in. When you sign into the platform for the very first time, you will be prompted to upload the required KYC identity documents. Keep in mind, this requirement applies specifically to paid challenge accounts. After you successfully upload your document, you won't be asked to do it again unless it happens to be rejected during review or an administrator requests a new one. Next, your document moves to the KYC verification phase. If your automatic approval is enabled, your document is processed and approved immediately. If manual approved is active, the document remains in a pending state until an administrator reviews and approves it. If your document is rejected for any reason, you will be notified right away to upload a new one. Finally, you reach trading eligibility. You can start placing trades only after your KYC requirements have been fully satisfied. For platforms on automatic approval, you can trade immediately after upload. For manual approval setups, your trading access is unlocked the moment the reviewer officially approves your document. Follow these exact steps, get your credentials and verification sorted, and you'll be ready to launch your challenge. See you in the next tutorial.